How to fix Google Play game not opening problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Google Play game not opening problem. So guys, I will show you how to open the Google Play game if it's not working. So guys, let's go to the phone settings, mobile settings, and then we have to go to install apps, and then let's search for Google, sorry, Play Games. Here is it. Click on Google Play Games, and you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop, and you have to press OK, and then you have to click on storage, and then you can see here clear data. Just click on clear data and press OK. You have to clear all the data, and then you can see here app permission. Click on app permission, and you have to allow the permission here. Now you can see here other permission. Just click here and just turn accept, and then go back to the menu, restart your phone, and reopen the device. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.